Salvatore, which is written by William Somerset Maugham. The story Salvatore depicts the theme of love and affection. The author has represented Salvatore as a man epitomizing the quality of goodness. In the story, we find Salvatore acted as nursemaid to his two younger brothers, a man of emotion, a loving father, and a responsible husband. Salvatore has pleasant face, a laughing mouth, and a carefree eyes, with his brown body was as thin as rail. Salvatore is a popular Italian name which means savior. Salvatore in the story had filled with goodness to be genuinely called a savior, a Salvatore. Being the eldest brother, Salvatore had concern for his brothers. He considered it to be his duty, and for his love for them, he made them dress when it was time to climb the hot hill for the frugal midday meal, did not allow them to venture out too far in the sea, and so on. Salvatore's endorsements was noteworthy. In the hospital, he bore and the pain with mute and uncomprehending patience. He had respect for the girl he loved. He was broken-hearted. He wept on his mother's bosom, and though terribly unhappy, he never blamed her. He understood that a girl could not afford to marry a man who might not be able to support her. He never uttered hard words for her, and that his conscience did not allow to say a hard word for the girl he had loved so well. He had the most pleasant disposition in his treatment with his wife, Assunta, a grim, visaged woman. Salvatore had love for his family, home, and fiancé. When he came back home, his parents and brothers were waiting for him on the jetty, and as soon as they met, there was a great deal of kissing, and they all cried a little when they exchanged their greeting. He had love and respect for the girl he loved. He had love for his children. He acted childlike with them, loved them, and spent quality time with them. Salvatore has enormous hands, gave them bath, dipped them in water tenderly and delicately. Upon my word, they were like flowers, like the laughter of an angel. His eyes then were as candid as his child's. He acted no less than mother to them. Even when rheumatism racked his limbs with pain, he would lie about the beach with the pleasant word for everyone, and was as innocent as his children. Though an ordinary fisherman, Salvatore had an exceptional quality, which is the rarest, the most precious, and loveliest that anyone can have. That is his inherent goodness. It is the goodness of the man that made him Salvatore. His was how the author has depicted the portrait of an ordinary fisherman, Salvatore, who possessed nothing in the world except goodness, just goodness. Thank you and have a nice day.